Intercontinental Ballistic Missiles are launched. When the launch command is given, the missile in the launch silo starts its countdown. Two officers turn their keys simultaneously to start the launch sequence. After 60 seconds, the first stage engine ignites, and the missile shoots out of the silo into the sky. At this point, the missile is in automatic control, and all commands are handled by its guidance computer. About 1 minute after launch, the solid fuel of the first stage runs out, and it separates. The nose cone is discarded, revealing the nuclear warhead. Next, the second stage booster ignites to accelerate the missile. The missile's speed approaches 20 Mach as it enters space. After 2 minutes, the second stage booster detaches. Then, the third stage engine ignites, boosting speed to 23 Mach. This speed outpaces any interception system. The missile has completed all propulsion and adjusts its angle to lock onto the target, preparing for the final strike. When the missile reaches space, the nuclear warhead prepares for its final task. It can carry multiple warheads, causing mass destruction. Upon entering the target area, the missile releases metal decoys. These create false targets, confusing enemy radar, ensuring the true warhead hits its target. When the warhead reaches the target area, it selects the best detonation point.